Today, we're going to talk about Mishima. Mishima is a style of ceramic decoration that originated in Korea, but was actually given its name from Japan. Graffito is pretty similar to Mishima, but it's a little different. Graffito is basically painting a layer of underglaze on your piece and then scratching away at the surface. Mishima is when you carve into the piece and then fill the carvings back in with underglaze or slip. I'm going to show you underglaze Mishima today. I'm going to kind of take a freeform approach to this and just do something fun. I'm going to make little stars. I'm using the Amico underglazes because they're super pigmented. You can be pretty messy with this. I think it actually provides a nice contrast when you go back in with your nice clean lines later. I did 2 layers of underglaze and let that dry fully. Now I can cover my pot with a layer of wax resist. The wax resist will let me carve and add detail while protecting the rest of my design. It fires off at around 300 degrees, so all the wax will be gone after our bisque fire. Now that that's dried, I'm going to take a needle tool.
You can also use a regular Graffito tool, but for as thin as I want this to be, the needle tool is perfect.
I'm carving up some of the wax as well as some of my underglaze in clay. This will let me inlay the design later on. Boom, baby. Let's do the rest of them. My stars all have a little personality now. Carving with a skinny tool can leave bits of clay and wax in the lines, and brushing those out just helps get a clean finish. Okay, carving, check. I'm ready for the fun part.
My original plan was black, I'm gonna be honest, because I thought it would be really nice and bold, but I'm kind of thinking about making a gradient. I've seen people, specifically Becca Sands, do a rainbow gradient. So yeah, okay, well, full send, I'm gonna do it rainbow. Haha. So what I'm gonna do is paint on my layers and then we'll wipe off. Exciting.
I'm making sure to brush in all directions so I don't miss any spots.
Okay, 2 layers done. Now I've got clean water and a sponge and we're going to start wiping away. Oh, cute. Immediately. So cute. Oh, look. And I've heard many a person tell me that the slower you go, the cleaner the lines. Okay, here it is. Not quite done, but fully wiped away. I'm gonna bisque fire it, and then I think I'm gonna do a layer of clear on the exterior, and on the inside I think I'm gonna do a nice colorful liner.
Here it is finished. It is so cute. All the stars have so much personality. It feels so unique and so specific to me and my style, and I'm just obsessed. Sorry to every other decoration method. Mishima is all I'm doing from here on out. You can find all the materials to try Mishima at seattlepotterysupply.com.
Oh, the little color in the side.
Yeah.
That's slick.